pink, blue, pink. Hi there. Just a second. If you are getting any fancy ideas that I'm sitting here trying to decide which color nail polish to apply on myself, let me assure you, I have no such plans. What I do have a plan is to review the movie Nail Polish for you in this episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. So welcome to the new episode. Nail Polish is a very interesting crime legal drama available on ZEE5. The movie is based on certain true incidents. It's actually inspired by these true incidents which were happening in the state of UP, where a lot of migrant kids were being abducted and were found to have been tortured, raped and killed. And the cops and the state government had no clue. They were not able to solve these crimes as to who is committing them. So the movie takes the inspiration from those incidents and weaves this fictional story. The movie stars Arjun Rampal, Manav Kaul, Rajit Kapoor, Anand Tiwari and Madhu in primary roles. So the movie starts where there are these two young boys who are nature lovers, have gone into the forest to release snakes, and on their way back they happen to come across these two bodies which are burning. And when they inspect the bodies, they found them to be of two young children. So they call in the cops, and the cops start investigating to figure out who could have committed that crime and who these bodies belong to. And through their investigation, they happen to land their needle of suspicion on the character played by Manav Kaul. Manav Kaul is shown to be an ex-defense, ex-intelligence officer who is now retired and is running a sports camp where he teaches different kind of sports to young kids. So he's shown this man with good respect in the society. So it's kind of disbelieving for many people to see him being arrested for these crimes, as to how can a person of this reputation, a good reputation, could have been behind these crimes. The bulk of the movie actually happens in the courtroom where the trial takes place. On the prosecution side is Anand Tiwari. He is shown as this simple, truthful and very sincere prosecutor who wants to fight for truth and justice. He is appointed by the state government to fight this case, and obviously he wants to make sure that he is able to prove that Manav Kaul has committed the crimes and is sentenced to the maximum, and so that he can get justice to the parents of these migrant kids. On the defense side is Arjun Rampal, who is shown to be this successful lawyer who has political ambitions, wants to get nominated to the Rajya Sabha. So very interestingly, the opposition parties in the state actually hire him to fight this case with the promise that if he wins the case, they will get him to Rajya Sabha. And the reason they want to do that is because the elections are upcoming and they want to use this incident as a political tool in their hands to fight against the ruling party and defeat them. And Arjun Rampal, obviously, because he's ambitious, wants to take up the case so that he can get into the Rajya Sabha. Rajit Kapoor plays the judge. In his courtroom is where this trial takes place. So the bulk of the story is around this trial. And Manav Kaul obviously is undergoing this trial, so he's sent to the judicial custody. And in the custody, he gets into a violent incident with the other jailmates, lands up in the hospital, and happens to lose his memory. So the trial now is hanging in balance because he's lost his memory, and the doctors are now called in to help Manav Kaul recover his memory before the trial can actually proceed further. And after a few months, he does recover his memory, but that is where the movie takes a very interesting turn. And I don't want to reveal anything beyond that because that will spoil your interest of watching the movie. But when he recovers the memory is when the courtroom gets the courtroom drama gets very, very interesting. So and there are some very interesting arguments that are made in the courtroom drama about who really commits the crime. Is it the brain or the body? So I would leave those those interesting part of the courtroom drama for you to watch and enjoy. But what I can assure you is that it is quite an interesting courtroom drama that takes place, particularly after he has recovered his memory, and the interesting twist that happens at that time. So in terms of performances, Arjun Rampal has a steady performance. He's shown as a defense lawyer with ambitions, and he does a good job in presenting his arguments as to why Manav Kaul cannot be held guilty for these crimes. Anand Tiwari again is shown as this sincere, and he puts a lot of sincerity in his performance as a simple prosecutor who is trying to fight tooth and nail to get justice for the migrant parents. Rajit Kapoor is a judge. He's a very fine actor, so his performance is obviously up to a certain benchmark, and obviously you enjoy whenever he's on the screen. Madhu is shown as a wife of the judge Rajit Kapoor. She actually is a little bit of a distraction in the movie because there is no clear background about why she's shown as this alcoholic person, right? And there's no background given as to how she's become alcoholic and what is driving her to behave the way she's behaving. So she's a little bit of a disconnect actually. So whenever she's on the screen, you really don't feel anything being added to the story by her presence. So I think Madhu's performance is a bit of a distraction. But the star performance of this movie is Manav Kaul. He has this very interesting character of, as I said, ex-defense, ex-intelligence officer who's now running a sports camp, and obviously he's implicated for these crimes. And the phases of as a crime legal drama proceeds, you see different phases, different shades of Manav Kaul's acting, and particularly his acting after he recovers his memory is fabulous. It's very, very interesting, and I would obviously leave it for you to watch it and enjoy it. Overall, I enjoyed this movie. I actually went with very low expectations to watch this movie, but it turned out to be a very interesting crime legal drama, something that I'm sure you will also enjoy. It's not a very long movie, it's 2 hours, so it sticks to its narrative. There are very little distractions, barring Madhu's performance, as I said, but overall, the movie sticks to its primary story, and you would enjoy it. It's quite gripping. You will obviously be very keenly watching as to what's happening. So my recommendation is, on a weekend, do go check it out. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and sharing your feedback. Goes without saying, if you like my reviews, please share it with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel. Do share in your suggestions about any interesting thing that you have seen which you would like me to see and review. I will be more than happy to do that. I look forward to bring more interesting reviews for all of you. So thank you. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Till next time. Bye-bye.